We are at the airport, what in the airport train, just watching the train from the back. Isn't this cool? Goes pretty fast. Yes, me.
Sorry about that.
Scoot over a little towards me. Get that guy around. There you go.
We're approaching the second station.
Hang on, guys.
At the A gate station.
No, I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine. You step on the
Exit here for
He needs you.
all A gates.
40 seconds.
Dad, you want to sit?
Please watch your step.
Look at the.
I don't know. There might be sensors to know where the trains are.
Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all B gates.
Going to B gates. There's people.
Are you waving to people?
We're in the subway now. There's all these little fans on the side. Gee,
Oh yeah,
they're like birds.
Wonder what they're for.
Do I just take the same train back to A?
We're now approaching the B gates.
We are approaching the station for all B gates.
Is there any
Exit
D?
here for all B
Is there
gates.
any D, E, and F gates?
Please watch your step.
Please, hurry up outside of the door.
The doors are closing.
Please, they're closing.
And hold on for departure to all C gates.
C gates is our stop. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is it for now. We have to get on to the C gates. We're now arriving at the C gates. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And tell me how you feel about this
Exit
video.
here for all C gates.
See you next time with another projection by
Please
Dart Red.
watch your step.